So we have a chemistry question that says study the changes of states of matter. Matter is any substance which occupies a space and has mass. Okay, now here we are given what we call the states of matter, the different forms of matter. We have liquid, solid, and a gas. Now the question is saying which numbers represent exothermic. Exothermic is a type of reaction where heat is going outside into the environment in simple terms. Now the answers here, we have 2. These are the correct answers: 2, 5, and 4. So these are the correct answers. Now let me explain more so that you understand. I'll start with 2. Now 2 here, this process here, it is known as solidifying or freezing, meaning how a liquid is changing to solid. So how can a liquid change to solid? It is by what? Exothermic, meaning that once a liquid loses more heat, for example, if you put a cup in a refrigerator, then that cup will lose more heat. Now, losing that heat will make the same cup to turn into what? Into solid. So this process is known as freezing or solidifying. That's why I'm putting 2. Now, the other one, it is 5. 5 here. What is 5? Condensation, which involves the changing of a gas into a liquid. Why so? Because we know to say gas are in a random motion, meaning that once they lose that heat, which is a form of energy for the gases for the gas particles to be moving, then the gas particles, once they lose heat, then they will clamp together to form a what? To form a liquid. So this one is condensation. How about 4? 4 here, changing from a gas into a solid. Now 4 here, it is representing sublimation, which involves the changing of a gas into a solid. For example, how iodine changes. Iodine is able to sublime, meaning it is able to change from a gas into a solid there.